Sky Cable TV Kenya, Beyond the Real.
Are you looking for someone to cover your special occasion? Look no more. High Heights Productions we offer live streaming services, wedding coverage, burial coverage, music and video production, documentary shoots, photo shoots, event organization, and graphic designs. High Heights Production, we serve you the best.
Are you looking forward to have an amazing spa day? Sony Dance Barber Salon and Spa offers haircut services, pedicure, manicure services, facials, nails, braiding, weaving, dreadlock retouch, ear piercing, and makeup services. We are located at Kasarani Majimazuri Stage, Kiambu Kirigiti next to the stadium, and Thome Maroroi bypass. For more information, call us on 0715 646 358.
Hi viewers, this is a True Living Show with Susan Muita, and this show airs via Sky Cable TV. Welcome back. We are continuing on physical exercises, all activities, and previously on a previous video we had talked about doing regular exercises, which we saw many important things. We also were discussing about the importance and benefits of exercising. So we'll continue from there, and we can capture that exercises helps you reduce your weight or maintains your weight. So that one is a key thing. So if you are exercising, we know there are many benefits for it, but that one's one of them. Another one is, we have just talked about weight. So to reduce and to maintain, and also to make sure that you don't get more weight. So it helps on maintaining the weight you have, losing the weight that you have, and also avoiding getting weight which you do not have. Another thing, it's boost your density lipoprotein. That means when you exercise, you get the high density cholesterol, we call it HDL. So you end up losing the bad cholesterol, which is lower. Then you maintain the high cholesterol. So on this one, we were talking about when you exercise, you avoid or you improve some of the chronic or acute diseases that you have. Some of them we had talked about preventing having stroke, also improving high blood pressure or not even getting it. Also improving on diabetes or not even getting the diabetes, and that is type 2 diabetes, because we know type 1 diabetes, you are either born with it. And then, other diseases which you can prevent from having is stroke, metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure. I've just talked about the hypertension, the type 2 diabetes. We had also said that when you exercise, you deal away with depression, because when you exercise, you do it, you feel you can do it for enjoyment. But even if you're not doing it for enjoyment, when your body is on the move, when you're exercising, the body feels the joy and you become happy. If you are depressed, so the depression goes away. If you are anxious because your mind is occupied with the exercises, then you have less anxiety. Other diseases that you run away from or you make them better, that they don't affect you that much. You run away from many cancers, because a study was done, and people who do not exercise, people who just stay like that, they usually get a lot of cancer diseases. It might be depending on what type of cancers, but majority of cancer diseases, people who get them are those who do not exercise. So exercises is very important. I'm not saying that you get cancer because you don't exercise. There are so many other factors which causes cancer, but also a study was done in that people who exercise, they are they get less cancer, or they don't even get it. Other people who improve or who do not get a certain kind of a disease, this is like arthritis. So if you have arthritis and you exercise it so often, because we previously on a previous show we said that the good time to exercise, or the amount to be exercised depends on the individual. And we know the more you exercise, the better. So if you are able to exercise on a daily basis for a few hours, the better. If you cannot do it on a daily basis, do it on the days you can. But don't just sit there and a week goes before you exercise. And we had talked of many other types of exercises. Other things which you can prevent from getting are falls. People who exercise, because their body is on the move, they are able to jump, they are able to move, they rarely get falls. And if they fall, because their body has endured a lot of strength, they have built up their muscles, so when they fall, they rarely get broken bones, or they don't hurt themselves. And if they hurt themselves, their body is strong and it's able to endure. So exercise will prevent falls, and exercises will make falls look like it's nothing. While somebody who does not exercise, when they fall, it becomes a major thing. And people who live on the north of the hemisphere, like in United States, on the northern states, when it's winter time, there is a lot of snow, it's slippery. So to fall, it will be so easy than other places. So if people exercise, one who exercises and one who does not, when one who exercises falls, because falls can be many, especially winter time, they are able to endure. Even if they end up having broken bones, they'll heal quickly. They will not even be that damaged as somebody who does not exercise. Exercises also improve people cognition levels or functions. So when somebody enters somewhere, we have seen it even on the gyms. When you go to people who exercises, or who goes to the gym, or wherever you do your exercises, their cognition level is very quick, is high, more than people who do not exercise. So exercises are very good to do. And also people who exercises, their death time or death levels are lower than people who do not exercise. I cannot tell you exactly the reason, but as we have talked, before previously, we said when you exercise, your body is able to get oxygen level quickly. Let's say we give an example of somebody who has high blood pressure, and maybe they are on the verge of getting stroke. So if you are exercising, your body is able to get the oxygen quickly, even to prevent for that hypertension or to prevent for that stroke, while somebody who does not exercise, so the way his or her body takes the oxygen, they can easily die quickly. because their body is not used to taking the oxygen quickly, because we know oxygen is part of our life, and that's what goes onto our bloodstream and give us life. So exercises is very, very important. It prevents a lot of chronic diseases. It prevents a lot of acute diseases. It also prevents a lot of deaths. It also give you muscle strength. It also give you cardiovascular strength. So exercises at all times. And before we move on with physical activities or exercising topic, as I'm continuing, don't forget to go down there, press that red button. It's ravish red button, and subscribe so that we can be able to be talking about this topic regularly with you. You can also comment there. You can also press the likes button so that we can know that what we'll be talking more and more. We had also given another good thing about exercises. When your body is on the move, when you are exercising, you lift up your emotions, and you become happy. So you are able to deal with distress. You are able to deal away with stress, because your body is already used to be energetic, to be moving. So even amount of any stress which might come to you on a daily basis will be dealt with easily with a body which exercises than the body which does not exercise. We know that physical exercises stimulates various brain chemicals, and those chemicals make you happier, excited, and less anxious. And that's why like people who train people how to do exercises, they have a lot of energy, they have a lot of happiness. I'm not saying that exercises will make you happy, but they will improve your happiness. So that's one of the things. Also, when you do exercises, your appearance is improved without even you knowing, because it's like you are there, you are like moving, even like you're energetic, you're happy. And so a happy person, a happy face, it's a good appearance than a gloomy, seated, non-activity body. So an exercising body is a good appearance body. It's also when you're happy or when you exercise, you improve your self-esteem. You feel good about yourself, because let's say when I'm energetic, you feel like you're going to the moon, or your body is on the move. Even when you're talking with people, you have the confidence. You can stand in front of people, talk, because it's like you're on the move. But if you stay without exercising, it's like you are going on the side of like a dead body. So your self-esteem will be low, your appearance will be gloomy, will be bad looking. You won't even have to be, you have to exercise to boost your confidence. And most people who exercise, because we know at times, life situations, sometimes they don't allow people to exercise all that. So some people who exercise, then they stop. At one time when you're conversing with them, they usually tell you like, I don't feel good when I don't exercise. My body doesn't feel good. So we know that when you exercise, you boost your energy, you feel good, your muscle strength is well built up, your cardiovascular system is working well, you improve your heart energy, and you are able even to do your daily activities, your chores, even your job. It's very, very good to do exercises as much as you can. Another thing, when you exercise a lot, because you are very energetic, when let's say even after you come from a gym, and gym is not the only place where you can exercise. If you don't have a gym, We said on a previous video that exercises is for everybody. It does not matter your age. It does not matter your color. It does not matter your the sex. It does not matter anything. Everybody should be exercising, from even the oldest to the youngest. And there are exercises for any age. There are exercises that you can even do without going to the gym. If you cannot even afford the gym, or you are far away from the gym, or you don't have time, there are exercises even you can do in your house. There are exercises even you can do in your bed. There are exercises you can do in your sitting area. There are exercises you can do in the field. There are exercises you can even walk outside. There are exercises which you can do on the road. You can run, you can swim, you can jump, you can even do rope jumping. You don't have to have a gym to exercise. But if you have a gym, the better, because there are many choices of the types of exercises you can do. I know previously we had talked about aerobics exercises. We had talked about anaerobics exercises. We had also talked about balancing exercises and flexibility exercises. So all those, we are talking about gym because gym is where you find other people. Because even when you are exercising, if you are out there, you'll enjoy, but also, let's say, a gym where there are many other people doing like what you are doing or something similar. You'll see somebody on a certain machine or doing something. It even makes it better. But even if you don't have a gym, you can even do a group thing. You can be running out there, you can be walking, you can be doing things, with other people. But even if other people are not there, there are so many exercises, you can never finish them, that you can do on your own. Even doing sit-ups, that's something you can even do by yourself. But the better if you are doing it when you are seeing other people do it, or when there are other people doing it. So another important thing is when you exercise, it's at the end you get better sleep than people who do not exercise. People who do not exercise, most of the time they wake up in between nights. But when you exercise, and then maybe like in the evening you take a good shower, you sleep like a baby, and even your sleep become deep and it's not disturbed than somebody who does not exercise. So it's always good to exercise. Another one is, when you exercise, because your body is on the move, for those people who have a sex life, the sex becomes even better, because you improve your energy. You boost your energy, also you boost your immune. And for women, you are aroused easily. For men, you have less dysfunctional, sex life. So it's always good. Another thing is, when you exercise, you have more fun and you have more social life, because when you are out there in the gym or outdoors, you are able to meet other people. You are able to talk to other people than when you are in the house, or where you work, you are seated, you are not doing much. So when you don't exercise, socially you are limiting yourself. But if you exercise, you are able to meet even new people. You are able to do outdoor activities. There are other games which are for exercising. Let's say like most ball games, let's say volleyball, basketball, football. You'll have to work with other people. You'll have to exercise with other people. So you have more fun when you are many. You are able to socialize. You are able to meet somewhere. So you are able to have a life. And in that way, you are having a real, true living life. And that makes you feel better when you exercise. and it's good always to exercise. And for now, don't forget to go down there, subscribe. And this is True Living Show, which airs every Tuesday 8 p.m. Eastern African time and 12 noon Eastern time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.